Guys, oh my goodness, today was a terrible day. As you can see by the title, I took three trades today. Um, I lost all of them. Again, I don't know what was going on today, but I just had the wrong bias today. My levels, again, like I was marking them how they should be marked. But yeah, so just really quick, guys, over here, like as you can see, I have the pre-market plan. I had these areas right here. Um, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. It was just a bad day. However, there is always room for improvement. And right at the opening, I saw an opportunity where I wanted to take the market short. And I didn't just because I was just like, I don't know, I guess fear, I guess. But that same fear is pretty much what caused me to make money. So we open up the market. All right. We have this zone which is supposed to be a supply zone because as you can see, this is where we closed the day before. Pre-market was rejecting, and then we rally right up to it, right? So my thinking right whenever we were right here at this point was let me see if I can do a replay. Whenever we were right here at this point, my goal was to short the market, especially after, because usually whenever you go into a supply zone and you break, you always come back, or even if it was to retest this area or not, but you will always go back. So let's go ahead and speed it up to 11:35. I think this is 11:35 right there. Gonna go ahead and mark this area right here, which is 67.75. 67. Wait, what? Yeah, 67. 75 right here. Come on, man. Right there. I'm gonna mark that right there. And then we're gonna see right here of this replace over here. So we're going up. This happened around 36. So we're at 36 already. So my thinking right here was to take the market short right there. I should have taken the market short right there. Yeah, look, especially right here. You see this right here? It's 741 right here. Let me see if I can rewind this to 35. Let me see that again. And yeah, guys, something that I've been like kind of like struggling with is like this settings on the book map, like trying to get it to where I actually can see what I'm looking for, right? So especially right there, look at this. There's a huge volume right there. Goes up 878. It's at 33. Lots of volume, lots of volume. Look at that. And that right there, I just wanted to take the market short right there just based on that. Seeing all of this aggressive volume, I just wanted to take the market short right there. Yeah, there you go. And seeing this liquidity down here. Yeah, I would have taken the market short right there. And it would have been cool to take the market short right there. But anyways, we come back all the way down here, then we rally up. So my thinking again was I was still thinking on boxing everything. Just the way that we've been training on the past couple days, because I mean I didn't think it was gonna be so bullish today. I guess like with the Fed saying that they were gonna cut the rates and stuff like that. Yeah, like I don't know. I just pretty fucking stupid. But even then, like if we come over here, like to this one, 3 to 1, even going back to it, like bruh, like we could still get a good 3 to 1s and stuff like that. Could have gotten this one as well. You see this right here, but what I'm really mainly focusing on is what happened in this area right here between 905. Let's go to 905. So this is 905. Let me see 905. So this is 905 and we're getting onto this 6687 level right here. I want to see exactly what happens between here and here because that is just so tight. This is another thing, like I moved the book map and then, or I just click back in it, and then I should be able to lock this thing, like, chart settings. Anyways, it doesn't matter. That's exactly what I should have been looking for, especially like right here whenever we are going back into this supply zone right here. It's at 9:10. Nine 11. That right there, I don't remember seeing this shit, for example. So this happened at 9:11, which is this one right here. And again, all of this makes sense, especially like if you know that you should have a bullish bias. I mean, at the time I didn't know, but right here seeing this, it should have indicated me that we should be looking for the upside. Again, like every time that we're going up, we want to make sure that we see trap sellers. Like for example, right here. I wouldn't have taken the trade right here, but I probably would have taken it right here, like around this 9:25 a.m. Especially because I don't know, like when did I take the first trade? Let me see. Yeah, by the way, guys, I'm still not funded. I'm trying to get there. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Like, why would I take a trade right here? Like that makes. I mean, I guess I don't even know why I did this. 66, and I was gonna buy. This was a buy order. No, it was a sell order. Because I entered at 66.65. Yeah, 66.65. 25. I enter right here. Yeah. And then let me reverse this page. And then template 3 to 1. I mean, it would have worked. I just, missed it by a hair. Honestly. It would have worked. So the idea was good. Just to short it for a quick 3 to 1 right there. Again. But this one was the one that I entered on the same candle and got wicked out. Ended up stopped out. But right here, if I would have waited for this candle to close and enter the trade, like that would have been awesome. Honestly, that would have been awesome. But anyways, that doesn't matter. So right here, then I want to see what happens like once we get over here again. Then right there we see this aggressive. And I guess that right here this would have been a no trade zone unless it would have, I don't know, like broken. Because there is two areas that I want to look at, 926 and then a 937. Because look right here, like we don't know if we want to go up, if we want to go down. Like if anything, we could have taken the market short right there, but we had this other area, so it was just like, okay, which way do you want to go? So the wise thing would have been to wait, and then we want to wait until 925. Then this one right here, we see 730 right here. I have to go and rewatch the live and see if I actually see this because this one is, well, it's actually 927 now. That right there should have told me, okay, we're trying to go down, but we're not being able to, but we're not being able to get past this level right here, which is this zone right here. So let's take a look at what happens at 933. And it keeps rejecting. And right there, we take that liquidity right there. what I want to see. Yeah, I mean, there was nothing were happening with the bubbles or anything like that. So, I mean, your guess is just as good as mine. Oh, to be honest, man. But anyways, we get back into this area right here. So yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Now let me go back to 37. Because let's say maybe like it was just like a drawing thing. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Anyways, let's go and now take a look at 9:45. So we're right here at 9:45, and now we have these areas, which is 7:02. See what happens there. I do see a lot of selling here, but there's no reward so far. So it's just like it's going down, but nothing is happening. I mean, right there, like we see a lot of selling and stuff like that. Could have gotten back in. I don't know. Like today, I just like I said, I couldn't get rid of the market. Like, I mean, because to be honest, at this point, I will be just like I wanted the market to play perfectly. I was just like, well, if it comes here, it comes here, and then it rebounds, right? But it didn't fucking do that. You know? So it's just like, bro, come on, give me a break. It's at 55. Was it 10:55 or 9:55? Okay, so let me see what happens here. Because we're about to get into this is 9:58. It doesn't go down. Let's see what happens like right here at 10. I guess this one is 10, right? I should have gotten it right there, honestly. Hold on. Let me go back to 10. Yeah, right there. You see that? Could have been like that was a red candle, but I should have gotten in right there. Literally at 10:02. Literally at 10:02. I should have gotten in there like at 10:02. Like as soon as this candle was opening. Ah, should have gotten there. Um, yeah. And even after that candle closed, like bro, like long position over here. Template 3 to 1. It would have been a perfect 3 to 1. Could have entered right there after seeing that. Because this is what it is. It's just like it's a continuation, you know? You get stopped out and then boom, you break right through it. But it's okay. It's okay. Now I want to take a look at right here at 10:44, 43. Then I'm gonna mark this level right here, which is 17:15. And what did I mark it like this again? Yeah. Later I will figure that out. So 10:45. So watch what happens here at 10:45. And again, I had the footprint. Or like then this one was another trade. Like, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Like this one. Like, why would I want to take the? It's 10:45, right? Right here we have 1,256 orders coming in. I actually saw this one live. At 10:48. And again, why is this shit giving me, like, for example, a 47, 46? Let me see, 46, 47, 48. Let's see what happens at 48. See a lot of selling accumulating right there. So, but it's pretty flat. So right here, like, look, right here, like, as soon as I saw this, I see it at a new supply level, like it kind of like stuff like that. And then I see this, and look, the CVD goes up, but look, it is actually coming down. Like it is not going up at all. You know what I mean? So it would have been good enough to take a short right there on that position. But yeah, guys, tomorrow will be a better day. Let's get it.